She's just destined for pink eye. You know, that's when you've been itching your ass all night long because you don't clean enough. You don't wash your ass with the pussy telephone. You know, I try to tell everybody, look, you really do need to take my advice. If you got that thing ass, you got to wash your ass. You got to wash your ass. I'm just saying, you need to be doing that more often. Because what's going to wind up happening is she's going to have that stinky stanky on her finger, and she's going to do her eye makeup, put her lashes on, and wind up with pink eye. That's what's going to happen. And you heard it here first. You get pink eye from your butthole.